Hello developers, today I am going to explain about how to transfer the data from child component to parent component. Previous session we learned about how to transfer data between parent component to child component. If you did not watch that video, please go and watch. I will mention that URL in description. So now we can come to check how to pass the data from child component to parent component. For that, firstly we can write one button, click me. So I am using click event child to parent. I am taking one method. By using this method, so here I am taking one variable. That variable I am assigning to @output. Transfer data. This is my variable name equal to new emitter, event emitter. We can mention the type. If you don't know the type, we can mention any. So this @output we need to import from Angular core. See here I mentioned. Then this transfer data dot emit this dot transfer data. Why? Because here directly we are not assigning, we are taking from here. So because of that we are using this, and I am emitting value like, share, subscribe. To parent component. So this is the transfer data. By using this only we are emitting. Go to parent component. Here you can assign like this, and you have to take one method, check me $event. By using this $event we can grab all the data, all event related data. Event, I am taking one variable name print me colon any. I am assigning the event to print me. So we need to print this event, right? Print me. Event type we should declare. If you know the type means number, string, boolean, we can mention. If you don't know the type, we can mention any. I am taking one h1. So you can save all the files, ts file, html file, again child ts file, child html file. Now we can see here. EventEmitter is not a constructor. I think we mentioned wrong here. Just a minute, I am rerunning again. See here, from stream it is taken. Because of that issue is coming, we need to take it from EventEmitter from Angular core only. Now it won't give any issue. Imports also you should check once. See, whenever I click like, share, subscribe is coming. So if we want to pass any data from child component to parent component, you can use @output. First step, what you are transferring means whenever I click on this button, I should transfer the data to parent component. So I am using one method, and that method I am emitting this value. For that I am using @output, one variable name, and new emitter. By using this we can emit. So we can come to app component means parent component HTML file. I am assigning that variable and one method I am taking, and that method is passing that value. So that value I am storing into one variable. By using string interpolation I am printing it. If you don't know the concept of string interpolation, that link I gave in description. Please go and watch. Thank you. If you have any doubts in this concept, please mention in comment. If you like this video, comment me and share me and subscribe.